Alyssa Herman here from Golden Triangle Agribusiness. Just a quick message to those of you that are looking at buying a piece of equipment or a vehicle via equipment finance. A couple of pieces of information I wanted to share with you here. Equipment finance rates are going up really quickly. A really good equipment finance rate would be 6% for a vehicle. I recently had a customer come to us that had been offered 5.5% with John Deere Finance for a second-hand tractor, and I told him to definitely take up that interest rate because we wouldn't be able to find anyone that could match it for a second-hand tractor. So yes, interest rates on vehicles are pretty ordinary at the moment, and I will say they're moving quickly. So interest rates or the quotes that you're given by a bank will only last 7 days, and they're not honouring quotes any later than 7 days because interest rates are changing so quickly on those types of finances. Now, if you are looking at buying a vehicle and you're buying it from a dealer, we may be able to get you approval without taking an application. So several of the banks that we work with have a fast track policy whereby if you've been in business for more than 2 years, you own a property and the vehicle is coming from a dealer and is less than a certain amount of, like a certain age, then we will be able to get you immediate approval, and we will need very limited information from you in order to be able to get you that finance. So that's for a range of items. Mostly they're called tertiary goods. So things like cars, forklifts, small trucks, trailers, that type of equipment that has a good resale market. We generally are able to get you a pre-approval, if you like, a pre-approved limit up to around $150,000. Some banks will do up to $250,000. A lot of you are looking for goods in the second-hand market at the moment because the supply is so tight on new equipment. And if that's you, we can absolutely get you finance. It may not be with a major bank, it may be with a second-tier bank, but we can do it. It will be at a more expensive interest rate. But when you're not borrowing a huge amount of money, the repayments don't change a lot with interest rates. So anyway, if this is you, get in contact with us. We would love to help you out and provide some quotes or some rates or even some ideas on how to get a better rate. Particularly if you have equity in your property, you may be able to do a business loan, which would give you the same outcome as a chattel mortgage, but at a much cheaper rate. Thanks, guys.